In this video, I'm going to show us how to create the door opening or the space to be able to put the door in when we download it later on as far as the SketchUp file for the door. So one of the things that I've already done is I've already created my perimeter, created my exterior walls, and created or went in and put down the spots where the center of my doors are going to be. To create the opening space, the first thing I'm going to do is, once again, use the tape measure tool. And I'm already in my tape measure tool, but just a reminder where it's found, in case you had left it as a dimension tool last time. Here's where it exists, the fourth tool from the bottom. The next thing I'm going to do is, once again, I'm going to zoom in so I can see that I'm working on the spot where I want to be. And one of the things that we're going to do is we're going to put in a 30-inch door. So one of the things we want to know is, what is 30 inches divided by 2? 15 inches of these is the answer. So starting out, what I'm going to do is go from my existing guideline down the surface, click again, and I'm going to type in 15. Enter. I'm going to do the same thing going the opposite way. So click again, type 15 one more time. And then lastly, either from the top going down or from the bottom going up, remember, not a point, but the actual edge, click and slide up, and this data is going to be 7 feet. I accidentally entered 7 inches, so I'm going to edit undo, and then type in 7 feet, enter. Now that I have this guideline layout, I can simply go to my rectangle tool, and then click on one intersection, and then go to the opposite intersection and click. Now I have my shape created along that surface, and I will be able to use the push-pull tool to remove the rest of the wall. The push-pull tool we also use as offset, so it could have been left as that, knowing that that's a top tool there. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the front surface. We're going to then move up and then click on the back edge. Notice where my cursor goes around on the back edge. And when I click on the back edge, it will remove that opening. So I'm going to continue doing that down the 5 spots in my room. At the same time, I'm not going to make you watch that during this video. I will do it one more time for you, though. So going to my next spot, tape measure, slide to the right, click, 15, enter. Slide to the left, click, 15, enter. Same thing going up, slide up. My guideline's not showing up, it was just lagging. Click, and then enter 7. Once again, not 7 inches, 7 feet. And then lastly, rectangle tool, clicking on the intersection and clicking on the opposite intersection, followed by the push-pull tool. Select the surface, go to the back edge, click, and we remove that piece. Try it out. Thanks for watching this video.